Nobody warns you about this phase of life. One day you wake up and realize you're tired, confused, behind, and no one ever taught you how to deal with it. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just unprepared. And this is why Stoicism might save you. Your 20s are strange. Everyone expects you to have life figured out, but no one gives you instructions. You compare yourself to friends who seem ahead. You scroll past people winning online. You feel pressure to succeed fast, yet everything inside you feels slow. You want discipline. You want confidence. You want purpose. But your mind feels noisy. And the worst part, you suffer silently. Because society says you're young, you should be happy. But Stoicism says something deeper. Your pain isn't the problem. Your relationship with it is. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless. It's not suppressing feelings. It's strength under pressure. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire while facing illness and war. Epictetus was born a slave and became a great thinker. Seneca lost wealth, power, and status, yet found peace. They didn't escape hardship. They mastered it. Stoicism teaches one life-changing idea. Focus on what you control and release what you don't. You control your effort, your thoughts, your actions, but results, timing, opinions, and life events, those were never yours. Most anxiety comes from fighting this truth. Epictetus said, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views they take of them. Failure isn't what hurts you. Rejection isn't what breaks you. Being behind isn't the real problem. The story you tell yourself is." Stoicism trains you to separate events from interpretation. Change the interpretation and you change your emotional life. The Stoics practice discomfort, cold, silence, hard work. Not to suffer, but to build freedom. If you can handle discomfort, you stop fearing life. Discipline stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like power. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." When you detach from outcomes, you become fearless. You stay consistent. You stop quitting early. Self-improvement is lonely. Some people won't understand you. Some paths will close. Stoicism doesn't promise comfort. It promises clarity. If you master Stoicism in your 20s, your 30s become calmer, your mind sharper, your confidence unshakable. Life doesn't get easier, you get stronger. And that's the secret no one tells you. If this helped you, subscribe. This channel is for people building quiet strength, discipline, and mental clarity. You don't need motivation. You need mastery. And Stoicism teaches exactly that.